Today we will discuss some questions. And the first question is, mention three ways in which author's grandmother, how author's grandmother spent her day after the author grew up. So हमें तीन चीज बताने हैं ग्रैंड मदर के बारे में कि वो कैसा अपना दिन गुजार रही थी जब आथर बड़ा हो गया। यानी इसका मतलब है कि जब आथर सिटी स्कूल में चला गया या जब आथर यूनिवर्सिटी में चला गया तो फिर वो कैसे अपना दिन गुजारती थी। और मैं सिर्फ तीन तरीके बताने हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, she was spinning wheel. ये पहला चीज था, यानी she always remained busy in spinning wheel. And the second thing was feed sparrows. और दूसरा चीज उसका था कि वो परिंदों को खिलाती थी। एंड द थर्ड थिंग वाज दैट she was also reading scriptures. Scriptures means holy books, religious books. तो तीन तरीके उसके पास थे, यानी उसका दिन always her day spent in three ways. First of all, she was spinning a wheel, and then the second thing, fed these sparrows, and the third thing was that she was reading scriptures. And this is the another question is, odd way in which grandmother behave. Odd way in which grandmother behave when she was about to die. यानी the grandmother, she was always generous, she was gentle, and she behaved very gently to the author and other family members. But one day when she behaved in an odd way. What was that way? When she behaved odd way before her death, it was, she did not, when she was about to death, she did not waste her time. Want to waste her time. पहला चीज था कि जब वो मरने के करीब थी, यानी करीबी मरग थी वो, तो क्या था कि वो अपना वक्त जाया नहीं करना चाहती थी. And the family members asked him, they requested him to be silent, but she they protested about her this that not go for this religious activity, or we can say not to go for telling the beads, but she rejected all the protest of these family members, and then she lay peacefully in her bed and praying and telling her beads. The family members protested, but she ignored their protest, and this was the odd way. And what was the odd way? That once she behaved, when she was asked, when the family members protested that to sit peacefully because she was near to the death, but what happened to her? She ignored their protest and remained continuously in telling the beads and was praying. And this was the odd way. Now the another question is, how the sparrows protest, how the sparrows expressed their sorrow. Their sorrow when grandmother died. How sparrows, you know that grandmother, she fed the sparrows, and sparrows, they were chirping around her, and some sparrows, they perched on her head. But when grandmother died, how the sparrows, how these birds expressed their sorrow? They scattered around the dead body of the grandmother. Quietly. क्या मतलब है कि ये परिंदे जो थे वो बिखरे हुए थे इर्द गिर्द मां इस ग्रैंड मदर की डेड बॉडी के इर्द गिर्द, लेकिन खामोश थे. दे वर नॉट चिरपिंग. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड द सेकंड थिंग, व्हेन आर्थर्स मदर threw crumbles to them, they did not pay any kind of attention. Any kind of attention. दूसरा चीज क्या था कि जब आर्थर की मां ने उनको यानी रोटी के टुकड़े फेंक दिए उनकी तरफ, लेकिन उन्होंने उसकी तरफ कोई तवज्जो नहीं दी. दिस वाज द सेकंड थिंग. एंड द थर्ड थिंग वाज व्हेन द डेड बॉडी took for cremation, they left and never came. तीसरा चीज जो था कि जब डेड बॉडी को जलाने के लिए लिया गया तो क्या हुआ कि वो चले गए और फिर दोबारा वापस नहीं आए. एंड दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन, हाउ द स्पैरोज एक्सप्रेस्ड देयर sorrows. पहला चीज कि they scattered around the dead body of the grandmother quietly, not they were not chirping at that time. And the author's mother, when she threw some crumbles to them, but they did not pay any kind of attention to it, and they didn't notice it. When the dead body took for cremation, they left and never came. वो फिर वापस नहीं आए. And this was the third thing that. And today we read about the two or three questions. First of all, 3 ways in which mother spent her day after she was separated from the author. And then the second thing, odd way in which one day grandmother behaved, and how the sparrows expressed their sorrows after the death of the grandmother. And thanks.